Hi everyone, in this video we'll create model for like features. So first let's open route.rb, config route.rbs, and in here let's write resource like only create and destroy. Save it. So again, this is our database diagram. We have like table relationship is very simple. So post has many like and user has many likes. Okay, so now let's create our model for like. Open your terminal and run Rails generate model like host reference users reference. Hit enter. Right, let me check that. Migrate reference post. Alright, we good. Now here on Rails db migrate. Alright. Now open your model. Add model and library. So in here I'll write validate user ID uniqueness scope post ID. Save it. So here I want to make sure that user can only like a post once, and this will validate uniqueness on multiple fields. Alright, next post.rb, and post has many likes, and I will order it created at dash or created. Okay, this created ad. Save it. And def is like user like dot find by user ID user.id post ID. So we find a record in like table with user ID and post ID, and if we find one, so that user like that post already, right? So later we will use this method to check that whether or not user has liked this post, and we could display the like button state properly, right? And finally user.rb, and here we say user has many likes. Save it. And by the way, you may see some weird bug on the UI. For example, the 5-figure icon. Sometimes your drop zone GS not appear correctly. So that's because our GS is not run properly. And in Rails, there's a library integrate as a default, and this is TurboLinks. It's trying to make navigating the web faster. Well, but I will disable it. It's still pretty buggy. And access JavaScript, access GS, and we have TurboLink, and we delete it. And if you want to use TurboLink, you have to change in this document ready. You should query like TurboLink or load or something, but I better disable it. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you guys next time.